Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Vayada from PIET, class of 2010. Want to take a moment to immerse you in my reflection about the institution that molded me in the person I am today. I am currently working as silicon engineer at Google. It feels just like yesterday when I step onto the hallowed grounds of Parul University. Here, knowledge and skills were not just imparted, they were meticulously crafted, polished, and presented with a touch of brilliance. Our faculty members weren't just educators, they were guiding stars, confidants, and the second family. Ever ready to illuminate our path of success, PU ensured we had the opportunities of hands-on training, which is coupled with access of state-of-art faculties and facilities, preparing us for the real challenges that awaited us in the dynamic field of engineering. Thank you, Parul University, for not just providing me with an education, but for providing me the chance to inspire and guide the future of electronics. In the heart of PU, where knowledge and compassion converge, we thrive. Be here, be vibrant.